This 2011 Mini Cooper S Countryman is a one-owner trade-in, with a clean Carfax and only 11,000 miles. This Mini Cooper is absolute black metallic W pure red and carbon black interior, and is still under factory warranty for 2015 or 50,000 miles and free maintenance up to 100,000 miles or for 2017. Equipment includes Steptronic automatic transmission, cold weather package including heated seats, sports steering wheel W paddles, black alloy wheels, multi-function steering wheel, xenon headlights, fog lights, and more.